Okay, now I'm going to taste Milky's. It is a milk and yogurt flavor from Korean soda, but I did not put it in the fridge, so maybe this will be not good. But let's try it. Milky's. Okay, I can smell it. Milky's, let's taste it. Okay, it's not as bad as I thought. It kind of tastes like, not like milk, more like medicine. It's not bad. Milky's.